How to switch back to the original audio on YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'll show you how to switch back to the original audio on YouTube Shorts in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on the Shorts tab and open the video that's playing in the wrong language. Next, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the short video. From the menu that appears, select Audio Track. Here, you'll see the available audio options for that short. If one of the options is labeled Original, simply tap on it to switch back to the creator's original language. The video will immediately start playing with the original audio once you've selected it. If you don't see the audio track option, it means that YouTube hasn't enabled auto-dubbing or multiple audio tracks for that particular short. In that case, the video is already playing in its original audio, and there isn't an alternative audio option available. That's it. You've successfully learned how to switch back to the original audio on YouTube Shorts. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.